I've been a partner with Legal Match for a number of years, and I get a wide variety of exposure to a number of different cases where people are seeking counsel for medical malpractice. And Legal Match gets my name out there. It also exposes me and clients to me with real immediate medical malpractice needs. I've had a wide assortment of cases through Legal Match that have been wonderful cases, helped a number of wonderful people. I can't tell you the number of cases I've retained through Legal Match, although it's well up there. Probably not allowed to in a lot of the cases because of confidentiality, but I know over the years I have had significant cases through Legal Match that resulted in seven-figure cases. So the bottom line is that from a business standpoint, it's been very lucrative for me. Well, it's a little bit different in North Carolina. During the period of the COVID pandemic, our legislature and governor passed a set of COVID emergency pandemic laws that included laws for providing immunity to all healthcare providers. Ostensibly, that was to provide immunity for COVID care, but the laws were so broadly drafted that they included pretty much every bit of care being provided during that time. Fortunately, there were older cases that were coming through that were pre-pandemic legislation, and I was able to pick up older cases during that period of time as well. Legal Match support has always been there for me when I needed support. The Legal Match intake is very good. You kind of get a 30,000-foot view of the case along with information about the potential plaintiff that is useful in trying to evaluate a case. So it's a time saver for me because you get to view a lot of cases and the ability to manage your time a lot better and screen through the valuable, viable cases versus those that are not sustainable either because of some legal issue or medical issue or because of the nature of the injury. Oh, I get leads daily. I think I've just looked at 2 this morning. Maybe a day or 2 where I don't get them, then I'll get 3 or 4. I get multiple leads per month. It's hard for me to estimate, and it varies somewhat, but I get multiple leads per month. I may get, let's just say, 200 leads, or let's say 100 leads a month, and I'll screen through those. I may want to speak to and work with 5 or 10 of those potential cases. I'll screen them through my nurses. I'll do a deep dive on the medicine, and of those 5 to 10, I may get 2 or 3 going forward where I do full expert reviews outside of my nursing reviews to get a better picture on liability. But my conversion rate is there. It's a percentage of those cases that come through. I can't answer that. I don't know. I've never worked with anybody else. I would say if you're one, I would assume that person was competent in their area of law. And if they use that with their potential clients, that is if they elect to go with Legal Match and use this tool, it can be very helpful. If you use it properly and you educate your clients and you make wise decisions about those cases that you choose, I think this is an excellent tool to have.